40 horsepower, 1,450 revolutions per minute semi-hermetic compressor unit for cold room on receipt. View of the oil pump side before dismantling. Failed winding due to overload as a result of mechanical failure. Close-up view of the failed winding. The catastrophic winding failure was due to broken pistons and conrods. Extracted stator unit from compressor unit. Damaged valve plates. Broken pistons, conrods and worn-out bush bearings. The failure could have been due to floodback, leading to premature failure of the rotating parts. Broken pistons and conrods. This failure is typically caused by loss or lack of lubrication. Damaged valve plate. Completed rewinding of the stator ready for instrument and electric tests prior to application of epoxy resin which compatible to Freon gas and oil. Quality rewinding done with ISO certified insulation winding materials which are compatible to Freon gas. After application of epoxy resin and oven, ready for cleaning and reassembly. Fitted with thermistors which are compatible to the thermistor controller. New imported pistons complete with conrods fitted. We work within the manufactured tolerances following laid-down procedures. New pistons complete with conrods assembled to the correct tolerance. The compressor housing is thoroughly cleaned. All the oil and gas waste checked and cleaned before commencement of reassembly and fitting of new parts. Unit connected, terminated and the supply cleared marked, ready for final instrument, electrical and run test before dispatch. Unit fully tested to IEC guidelines, painted and ready for dispatch. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.